Welcome people to my new video. Apologize for my bad English. In this video I will talk about the Darvas Box, and again I will translate this to gambling. So Darvas Box is a technical indicator. So it's an indicator that traders use in their technical analysis. It has been developed by Nicolas Darvas. This is Nicolas Darvas, and he wrote a book, How I Made 2 million in the Stock Market. No, I'm not saying you will win 2 million with gambling or even in with trading, but he wrote that book. Now, it's the Darvas Box or Darvas Box indicator is a trend following system. So it's important for you to understand there are different ways you can profit. And some people try to profit with trends, some people believe in reversals. Some people believe in choppiness and want to profit with two sides, with consolidation. In gambling, some people believe in randomness, with a certain table coverage and so on, right? So there are so many ways you can profit. So you need to be the right type of trader or the right type of gambler. If you don't believe in trends, right, then this system is not for you, right? Now, of course, what is a trend? This is clearly a trend, and this is not a trend, or we call this consolidation, right? So the buyers were clearly in control, and here the sellers were clearly in control. Or translated to gambling, in roulette, red has been falling systematically more than black. Now every trend following system needs to build in a signal, a first signal, that automatically will tell the trader or gambler that consolidation has ended or will end. Nobody knows for sure what will happen in the future. But if we look at historical trends and we look back in time, then of course the trend has started somewhere, right? Maybe person A will say here the trend started, person B will say no, the trend started here. Okay people, and now I'm going to demonstrate to you how you need to create a Darvas box, and I will demonstrate this in Excel. In my case, one time period consists of 6 spins, right? 6 spins. It's like the 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart, 1 day chart, 1 week chart, 1 month chart. So it's actually like the 6 spins chart. And I will look at the roulette wheel from the point of view from red. So when it's red, it's +1. When it's 0 green or black, it's -1. Now, we need to start somewhere. Right? So you just start somewhere. And you call this state 1. And so you start at period 1 at P1, and you call this, state 1, right? So these were the spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds and 1 black, right? So we will start in the next period with 4, right? So this is state 1. Now you go to period 2, right? So period 2 here, and you need to ask the following question: did we reach state 2? So state 2 question mark, did we reach state 2? So we start with 4, 4 blacks, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 0, then 2 reds is 2, so we start the next period with 2. So this is now period 2. And so we ask, did we reach state 2? So it's yes or no. When do you reach it? Well, so you need to ask now the following question: is the current high higher than the highest high? So no, right? So then the answer is yes, we reached state 2. Okay, so we go to period 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blacks and 1 red, so it's -2. So the next period we will start with -2. Okay, so this is now period 3. So again, did we reach state 3? So again, yes or no. When it's yes, well, is the current high higher than the highest high? And so the answer is no, it's lower. So then yes, we reach state 3. Now, when you reach state 3, okay, then, only then, you can draw the resistance line. Here is red, so that's why I use this color red, and the support line, right? So that's like black, right? Here, the support line. Okay, we go to period 4. 3 reds, 1, 2, 3, and black, red, black. So here we will start with 0. Okay, did we reach state 4? Here, the current, so is, now you need to ask 2 questions. So the first question, is the current high higher than the highest high? So this is, or the resistance line. So the answer is no. Now you need to ask the second question, is the current low lower than the lowest low, or the support line? So again, the question is no. So it stayed within, right, the limits, right? So then the answer is yes, we reach state 4. We go to period 5, right? So 1, 2 blacks, and 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, right? So we will start here then with 2. Again, the same question. Did we reach state 5? The current high, is the current high higher than the highest high? So no, so that's still okay. Is the current low lower than the lowest low, or the support line? No. So yes, we reach state 5. Now, only when you can answer yes, we reach state 5, then we can draw the Darvas box. Okay, we draw the Darvas box, but I want to show you. Okay, so you can draw the Darvas box, but I did not close the Darvas box yet, right? So we go to period 6. 1 black, 1, 2, 3 reds, and then black, red. So here we will start with 4, right? Did the values stayed within the limits? So the answer is yes. Then you need to enlarge the Darvas box, right? So just enlarge it. And you need to enlarge the Darvas box, right? Here, enlarge the Darvas box. So we go to period 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 blacks, and 2 reds. So here we will start with 2. Did the value stay within the limits? Yes. Enlarge the Darvas box. Right? Enlarge the Darvas box. Look what now happens at period 8. So 1 black, 5 reds, 1, 2, 3, 4, bang, 6. So the first question is, did we reach state 8? So the first question, is the current high higher than the highest high, or the resistance line? Yes. So no, we did not reach state 8. So here, okay, here, you need to close the Darvas box. Now we can close it. Right? And we got our signal, right? And it's a breakout signal. If it was here, it was a breakdown signal. So we got our signal. Remember, Every trend following system has built in such a signal, right? So we got our breakout signal, breakdown signal. In this case, it's a breakout signal. Now in the period 9, we will start betting. And guys, I'm not making this up. Now we need to draw a ghost box, right? So a ghost box. Now the ghost box has the same length and the same width as the Darvas box. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So here we will draw the ghost box. Where do you need to draw it? Well, here the support line of the ghost box is at the same level as the resistance line of the Darvas box, right? And so here you have a new resistance line. And we start here with 6, and now we start betting red. And not black, of course, red. We believe red will trend, right? So now this happens, I will speed up a little, so 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, then black, red. Okay, so I will speed up a little. Okay, so in this period we start here. So 1 black, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11, 12, 13, 14, so 14. Okay, now we have this. We have another breakout signal. So the question is, do we need to stop or we need to continue, or what do we need to do? You just continue, right? So we start here, 14, 2 blacks, and then 4 reds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, right? Just continue, right? Just continue. 1, 2, 3, and so it's 13, and 1, 3 reds again, 1, 2, 3, so we end here. So the question again, what do we need to do? Do we need to continue? Do we need to stop? Or now you need to draw a second, even higher ghost box, right? Again, same length, same width, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 width, right? Here, and with a new resistance line, and again the support line of this second ghost box is at the same level as the resistance line of the previous first ghost box, and you just continue, right? And so we start here 16 and just continue. Here, of course, is the stop loss, right? And here also was the stop loss, right? So Nicolas Darvas had a very, very strict stop loss.